Thursday morning, 9:20 a.m. so it's time to hit the beach. It's morning, so it's chicken time. And tea time. And grilled pork time. This is the nasty phase of the rainy season on this island. Usually it rains like this twice a day during the monsoon, but sometimes we do get a wet spell and then it rains for a couple of days non-stop, which can get pretty annoying. Okej, bye daj. Koppenkamp. This is my motorbike, carried by another motorbike, belonging to a mechanic, local mechanic who usually takes care of my bike. Because my good old Kawasaki is yet again broken. It's broken all the time for the last, I don't know, a couple of months. It was made in, I think, 2000, so it's 16 years old now. And I traveled like 30,000 kilometers on it here in Thailand. So I guess it deserves a break, which it is getting now for a while. Though I do miss it, because I absolutely hate driving this thing. This little pathetic scooter thing. This bike, my GTO, might be relatively small, it's just 125cc, but it is a two-stroke, which means it's pretty powerful and pretty fast. I bought it in Bangkok maybe half a year after I moved into Thailand. From an expat, from a Canadian guy who bought it himself a few years earlier. He bought it when he moved to Thailand. He didn't move to Thailand, he came to Thailand for a holiday. And he bought the bike. And then he left 10 years later. So that's what often happens to people who come to Thailand. They just fall in love and stay here for a longer time. I'll push you, Han, of course. Popchnę cię, proszę. Dajesz. Jedź.
Tato, let's all ride the bicycle.
Okay.
Bring me up my school, I will ride.
Okay, but Hanna, najpierw się musisz ubrać, okay? You have to put on your dress first. We are on our way to the airport to drop off Jasmine's sister, who spent 2 weeks at our place and now she's going home back to India. And on the way we stopped in one of our favorite spots in Phuket, a place called Ceramic Kitchen, as you've seen there. It's a restaurant serving both Western and Thai food. Food is alright, the price is alright, and the setting is really nice. We like this place because It's indoors, so we can come here when it rains, but it feels very much outdoors. You see there's a garden inside the restaurant and a pond, and it's just nice. And except for this place being a restaurant, it's also a ceramics shop, artisan ceramics. Let me show you. So the whole place is filled with different kinds of ceramics. You can see these things, and there's even Ganesh. Even tiles on the floor. Even tables. All the plates and cups. And the stuff is really beautiful. Let me show you here. Every time we come here, we step into the shop just to look around. At the airport, dropping the auntie off, and I'm here in the car outside the airport. Parking at the airport here in Phuket is always a problem, so instead of waiting there by the door, being chased around by the guards, I just decided to wait outside of the airport and just wait for a call from Jasmine. But anyways, so another day in Phuket. I don't know, I thought this daily vlogging thing will be difficult because not much happens during normal life, everyday life, but actually, yeah, life is good and good things happen every day. So I'll just try and keep on posting regularly and showing you the nice parts and maybe not so always nice parts of the life here. So I'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel if you want to take a peek at the life of an expat in Thailand, in Phuket, and we'll be doing a lot of traveling and a lot of different interesting stuff, I'm sure. So I think it's worth to click subscribe. And yeah, give us hands up if you can, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment. So stay to watch. Oh, there they are calling. Hello. 3 minutes away. 3 minutes. Okay. Same place. Same place. Okay. All right. See you. So there you see, normal life chasing me, so I gotta go. See you in the next one. Bye.